Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a productive morning routine and I'm just going to take you guys through my day, but I'm going to share what I do on a typical morning here in our household, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So I hope this brings you lots of motivation to get your day going, and hopefully you can start it with me. So make sure to subscribe and let's go ahead and get started. But I did want to mention today's video is a collab with my friend Carissa. She is a girl mom. She just had a sweet baby girl, Capri, a month ago. She also has a 4-year-old girl named Mila. She's so cute, always so put together. She has such a beautiful home, and she shares the best home inspo and mom life, and she's so relatable and keeps it real. So I will have her video linked down below if you guys would like to check her out and also subscribe to her channel. I'm starting out the day by making Brooks some breakfast. I'm just throwing him together some oatmeal. This is his favorite breakfast meal. He is a simple guy at heart, so I made him that and also gave him a banana. He had actually been awake since around 6:15 that day, but we just laid around and watched some TV. So I need all the coffee. We're gonna make a whipped summer coffee recipe. I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water, and then I'm gonna get my hand mixer and mix that all together for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's a lighter color and it has a whipped consistency. And then I'll show you how I'm making it a summery edition here in a second, but I have been loving this coffee lately, especially in the afternoon for a pick-me-up. It's so good. After it's done, I'm going to mix some ice with about a cup of milk and a splash of my favorite creamer at the moment. It's this coconut cream from Aldi. So good. It literally tastes like summer in a cup. It's so great. And then I'm just going to put that whipped coffee right on top. And then all I do is mix it up, stick a straw in, and I am good to go. This gives me so much energy, and I'm much more ready to tackle the day with a special drink. I typically don't eat breakfast. I'm just not a breakfast person, so coffee does it for me. But Brooks is gonna watch a show for a little bit. My brother was in there with him as well, and I'm gonna go ahead and go get ready. Alright, so I'm about to get ready, and I thought I would show you guys a quick little get ready with me. I keep all of my makeup in one of these acrylic bins. I think I got it from TJ Maxx or something, but here is my face without makeup. We're gonna go ahead and get ready. Personally, I like to get ready in the mornings to help me feel productive. I'm gonna do a quick bun for my hair. A lot of you guys ask how I do that, so I'm gonna show you. This isn't gonna be like a full tutorial or anything, but I will show you guys how I put myself together in the mornings. And I also have to run to the store later. I've got a Target pickup and I've got to get a few things from the grocery store, but I went ahead and got ready. I just have on this little Mom Life t-shirt. This is from a boutique, I'll link it down below, and some black Fabletics leggings. So I'll just mention what products I'm using real quick, or I may even put them on the screen. That way I can get this flowing a little bit quicker. But I've already washed my face and put my moisturizer on. First I'm gonna go in with my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the color Fiji. And I'm going to use a big Tarte dense brush. I like this because it just evens out my face and makes my skin tone look a little bit more even. I've got a lot of acne still and scars. Next I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Light Sand, and I'm going to put that on any places that I have active acne marks and also under my eyes. My skin is freaking out right now. I don't know why, but it's breaking out so bad. I don't know if it's the humidity and we're outside more, or if it's a hormonal imbalance. I don't know, but I'm just gonna try to cover it up the best that I can. To set the concealer, I'm gonna use my Revlon Candid Photo Ready Anti-Pollution Setting Powder. This is okay, it's not my favorite, but it gets the job done. All right, now I'm gonna use some bronzer to kind of give my face a little bit more dimension. And I've got this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. So I'm just going to take like a fluffier brush and just kind of carve out the cheekbones, and I also bring it up onto the forehead. For blush, I'm gonna use a Bare Minerals blush in Rosy Topaz. And I'm gonna take a bigger fluffy brush, and I feel like I got a lot on there. I'm just gonna go right over that bronzer. I'm also gonna use some Becca highlighter in the shade Moonstone, and I'm gonna put that on just the high points of my face. And you guys, this is just what I like to do. I prefer kind of a lot of makeup, but I've always been into makeup. Even in high school, I just loved it. So you do you, and I will do me. You definitely don't have to get like a full face of makeup if you don't want to, but it's just what I like to do, so whatever works. But now I'm taking a Morphe 9A palette. This is just kind of like golden colors, and I'm just taking the shade Splendid, which is kind of a warmer brown. And I'm gonna put that in the crease, and that's all I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna take that same highlighter and I'm going to put that on my lids. And then sometimes I will do eyeliner, and if I do, I use the L'Oreal Flash Cat Eye. That one's really good. But I haven't been doing eyeliner as much lately, and it's been kind of nice. So I'm going to just put on my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I'll wait for that to dry, and then I'll do another coat. But I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows a little bit with this NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder. Really cheap, just from like Target. And then I've got a Morphe little brush. I'm just gonna brush them out, and then I will fill them in a little bit. All right, so eyebrows are done. I'm gonna do one more coat of mascara real quick, and I also will sometimes wear false lashes. I like the magnetic ones from Mag Lashbox. You guys hear me talk about them all the time, and I do have a coupon code for them, so I will leave that on the screen here if you guys want to get some. But I'm gonna line my lips real quick. Okay, this is my favorite lip liner, and it's like $2.99 from Walgreens. It's the Jordana lip liner in the shade Baby Berry, and I like that I don't have to sharpen it. I can just twist it up, and it's just the best. And then for lip gloss, I love the Buxom Plumping Lip Cream in the shade Rose Julep. So this one's really good, and it feels so good on the lips. So there's the makeup. That's all I'm gonna do, and usually it takes me like 5 minutes or so. Once you get it down pat, it really doesn't take that long. And then this mop of hair that I have got here, I need to do something with, and you can see the humidity has just gotten to it. I also desperately need my hair done. I feel like it's grown like, I don't even know, at least a couple inches since all of this, and I need probably like 4 or 5 inches cut off, honestly. I feel like it's so long and it's getting really thin on the end, so I probably am gonna get it cut to like there, which I know seems like a lot, but in the summer months it's hot and I just don't feel like messing with it. I'm going to brush it out, and I'll show you guys how I do the bun. It's really not hard at all. And I love these hair ties. They're like the coil ones. For my thick hair, they work really well. So I'm going to just take all of my hair and pull it up. So there it is. I just have it all up in the back. What I do is I hold the ponytail with one hand, and I take the ponytail holder, twist it once, making like a loop here. So that's gonna be the base of the bun. And then I take whatever is hanging down that's left and wrap it around. So now it's back here. and then I will just take my ponytail and pull it back over. And then I can adjust it and pull it out. And then I will also a lot of times pull some of these hairs down. You can if you want. And then sometimes I'll straighten them too. But that's it. It's really not even that hard. But really just depends on your hair texture and your hair length, I think. And then you guys see me a lot of times, I'll take these headbands. This one is just from Amazon. It's got the pearls on it. And if you want to look like you really tried, you can put a headband in. So that's all I do. But this just helps me feel a little more put together, a little bit more ready for the day. I feel like I've tried and I'm taking care of myself, and getting ready in the mornings is kind of like me time. I will also, a lot of times, if I'm not recording like I am today, I'll put on a YouTube video or some worship music and just have some quiet time in the mornings while I get ready. That's it. Let's go ahead and get to cleaning, picking up. I usually do like a 30-minute cleanup in the mornings after breakfast, and I already got Brooks dressed, so he's ready to go for the day. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to rolling. Now I'm going to do a 30-minute tidy up around the house, and this day I actually decided to wash all of our bedding. So I'm just going to pull everything off of there and then go ahead and stick it into the wash. And then I will typically keep laundry rolling, so I had some more clothes to put up. So I'm going to fold everything and get them on hangers and put them up in the closet. That way I don't have to stare at them on my dresser for the rest of the day. Laundry, like I say in almost every video, is my least favorite chore to do. So going ahead and getting it knocked out for the day is the best way to do it for me.
'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I'll have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine.
Now I'm going to move into the kitchen and go ahead and clean up dishes from breakfast. And I had a little bit from the night before too, so if I don't have that many, I'll go ahead and just wash everything by hand. And that way I can go ahead and put them away. So I'm using some Method dish soap in the grapefruit scent. It smells so good for spring and summer. And I'm just going to wash everything up and get it back into the cabinets.
She will never know, never know, she'll never know. It's like she stole my heart.
Whenever I do my 30-minute tidy ups, I try to keep it short and sweet. I just go through the rooms and see what needs to be picked up. Usually I clean as I go throughout the day, so I don't worry about it too much, but I also usually have Brooks running around with me at this point, and he just hangs out and we get it done together. Mornings have been really slow going here since we have been at home more, but we've also usually tried to take a couple walks around the block and get outside as much as we can. Usually after breakfast we'll go outside a little bit, but it was raining this day, so we were kind of just stuck inside for a little bit, but usually we like to get some fresh air.
That I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, never know, 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 she'll never know. One, two, three. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it
I usually always clean off my countertops as well, so I'm just using my daily granite cleaner for this from Method. And I'm going to go ahead and put my dough board back on the stove now that it's cooled. And I also have been getting into sourdough starter, so I have 3 bags of starter that I have to mush together every morning, and then I also sometimes have to feed it, so that's what I'm doing now. And then throughout the day I like to have a Yeti cup where I can have some ice cold water to drink out of, so I'm filling up my cup now. This one isn't actually Yeti though, it's just from Target, but it's super good and it works great. And then I will also water my plants if need be. So I have this aloe plant, and then I also have these 2 hanging ivy plants by my kitchen window, and then I also have a couple succulents as well. So I'm going to water all of the inside plants, and then I will head outside and water those as well.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself.
There's nothing more relaxing than hearing the birds chirping in the morning, and it's just a really good rainy day here, but I'm gonna go ahead and water the plants on the front porch. I got this watering can this year from the Hearth and Hand line from Target, and I love it. It makes it really convenient, and I love all of the plants. If you guys want to see how I redecorated my front porch, I will have that video linked down below. But that about wraps up my morning routine. After this, I just hang out with Brooks and we get our day started with whatever we're doing that day. And then typically whenever he goes down for a nap, that's when I get all of my computer work done. So I'll go into my office and I will answer emails or edit videos, things of that sort. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my productive morning routine that's very casual and just taking you guys through it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Carissa's video as well and subscribe to her channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.